CoastLife, when we talk about taking care of the community and members in it, it really does take a village.
It does.
And that's why we've got Maribeth Dockety with the Village Improvement joining us today. And you're chair of a very specific part of Village Improvement Association. Tell us a little bit about your role.
I'd love to tell you about that. The Village Improvement Association has been around since 1909.
Wow.
So we're in our 115th year, and we are a member of the General Federation of Women's Clubs. In Delaware, there's about 20 of those. Okay. And Village Improvement Association, known as VIA, has about 225 members.
Wow.
We have lots of committees. I happen to be the chair of the Domestic and Sexual Violence Awareness and Prevention Committee.
Yes,
it's a long title. However, it encompasses a lot of different areas that we try to touch upon for our community. We try to really do bring educational resources to the community about both domestic abuse, sexual violence, and human trafficking.
Yeah, I mean, we know, both of us are aware that, Delaware as a state is sort of a hot spot, unfortunately, for human trafficking. I think because we've got the interstate right there. It's a small state, so people can disappear quick. But what are maybe some of the things that you help victims of domestic and sexual violence with as far as resources go?
Well, thank you so much for asking, because the VIA, and this committee in particular, tries to raise money for nonprofits that work specifically and directly with victims of domestic violence. Wow. So there are a few that come to mind. What is your voice? We've done a lot of work with them, and actually we are going to help them again this year in October with their Butterfly Bolt, which is a walk on the boardwalk to stop violence, which is a really neat thing. Hopefully you ladies can join us at that. We also work closely with Zoe Ministries. They also provide housing for women and children who are victims of domestic violence. And we've been now focusing a bit more on even our youth. So we have Pathways to Success, which reaches out to young people in many different school districts in Sussex County specifically, and they help them with many resources, everything from food insecurity to homelessness. But certainly we have some of our students who might be experiencing domestic violence and have the need for resources, and that organization can also provide resources. So we work with more nonprofits than that, but those are the three we're focused on right now, because we've been trying to raise money for them.
Yes, and so all those funds that you guys raise are, that's your goal, the finances, because a lot of nonprofits need that funding to keep doing the amazing work that they do. And you have an opportunity to raise some more money coming up this weekend that people can check out for the music lovers out there.
Fabulous. Yes, we do, and we're really excited. We've never had a concert in our clubhouse. Our clubhouse is a little green building next to the Henlopen Hotel on the north end of the boardwalk in Rehoboth Beach. Perfect. Well, this is an exciting time because we're bringing the Young Fables to our clubhouse, and they're going to perform a benefit concert. It's called Shattering Myths with the Young Fables. They're a country duo right out of Nashville. They are excellent. If you haven't heard them, I really encourage you to go on to YouTube and listen to some of their music. It is fabulous. And the concert, all the ticket sales are going to go straight to these organizations that I mentioned earlier as donations for their causes and their needs.
Perfect. Great. So how can people who are interested get a hold of these tickets? How much are they? And when and where can people show up?
Great. Well, the tickets are $40 each, and they can either be purchased on our website. You can also come to the concert, and you can purchase the tickets at the door.
That's great. And are you guys accepting volunteers as well still?
For our organization, we'd love to have volunteers. We have many members. We have about 225 members. They're all volunteers. We probably provided this past year over 20,000 hours in volunteerism for our community in various different areas. So, ranging from Lewis, Rehoboth, Milton, all these areas. Awesome. So it's really exciting. The concert's on Sunday, July 14th, from 5:30 to 7:30. So our doors will open at 5. We hope many people that maybe haven't had a chance to purchase a ticket online might come to the concert and just purchase a ticket at the door.
So you can do that. We got your Sunday evening plans taken care of. Maribeth, thank you so much for coming in and sharing about not only your organization, but the event coming up and all the ways that you help out. I think a seriously overlooked portion of our community.
Definitely.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for having me, and hope to see you ladies at the concert.
Yes, one more time so people can nail it down, write it down, the when and where of this concert.
Okay, so the Young Fables at the Village Improvement Association, Sunday, July 14th, 5:30 to 7:30. Tickets can be purchased at the door, $40, and we hope to see you all there.
What a good cause.
Yes, Maribeth, thank you so much. Thanks again. But coming up on CoastLife, we've got a lot more to get to, whether you're buying a home, selling a home, maybe remodeling a space in your home. All of that is on the way, so stay right there.